Good motherfucking morning. Good morning. Dude, Panw can go fuck itself, man. I'm not down too bad though. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, bro. It ripped this morning. Rips this morning, but I have to beat this. I gotta beat this. Oh. Let me show you guys what I gotta beat. So it rips this morning, and we're on a 15-minute. All right, perfect. So I have to beat this. I have to beat like here, and I'm good. I'm only down like $300 right now, but I think we're gonna break this. If we break this, I start making money. But yeah, that's the vibes. Yo, what up? What up? Warbucks. What up? Oho. Omara. What up, guys? How we feeling? How we feeling? How we feeling? What's the vibe? What's the energy? I'm at 39.70 on these. I entered at 42.50, so it's not like the end of the world. But I'm at 39.70. 3970. 39.70, boys. All right, let's get out of this. Let's lock in and get out of this little thing from. I mean, PNW is gonna profit, bro. This trade's gonna put money in my pocket, but we're gonna reassess. Dude, Zillow's dog shit. A put on Zillow might be fire, but they might have fixed their fucking situation. All right, yeah. So good morning. We're here on Tradealgo's TradeGPT. JJ, what's goody, my guy? Great to have you back. Great to have you back. Might have to make some new mods in here soon. Get you guys as mods, but fuck it. Let's just lock in, bro. Let's just lock in. So I'm gonna use the same prompt I've been using. I'm doing about $1,000 a day making this prompt. I mean, if we take a look at the month this week hasn't been pretty. Right, 18th, 19th. Yeah, your boy got chipped up on the 18th. 150 on the made 150 yesterday on Qs. I still have PANW, so if I close out a PNW, you'll see it on you'll see it today. But yeah, this month has been all right. Up $8 grand. Not as much as like the biggest month ever was September or October, and we had like insanity, just insanity. We were making like 100 grand. I'm up 5% on American Airlines. Good shit. Good shit. What prompted you to trade American Airlines? Inconspicuous. And I'm inconspicuous. I'm more than that inconspicuous. I'm glad you got back on the freaking horse, bro. That's what matters, dude. Is the fact that you came back swinging. Okay, so we're doing about 1,000 a day. I'm using a language model that's ripping institutional order flow, so like block orders, sweeps, transactions, other things like that. Use the language model literally just by pasting the same prompt in. I say I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I say I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on your best, based on your best analysis and recommendation. Go into it. Okay, look into ticker LIN. Okay, we'll do that as soon as I place this trade. I'll do some analysis. Been at the airport since 4 a.m. Haven't even checked the market. How's it looking? We're going up, bro. It's moving up. I mean, nothing like major, but we did have a little bit of a drop yesterday, and then it's kind of in like a week long chop. We're at 738, bro. This is, I mean, if you can't see my screen, this is kind of what a 15-minute on the SPY is looking like. So we're kind of in this choppy week. It's fine. We had big news come out. I mean, there's always some fucking unknown shilly reason. All right, so here we go. Damn, Marvel, 29th of May. This is interesting. A $32 ask on MRVL. 29th of May. And then what's our strike here, bro? 162.50. All right, let's take a look here. Okay, PNW. I'm going to go to MRVL right here on my SPY. So my AI just told me to bet on this company going up. Yo, Xander, my guy, what's up, bro? What's up? How you feeling? Dude, I can't see JJ's messages anymore. Oh, I can. Okay. Yeah, I'll never leave the market because anything. I'm going to be an SGOV. Facts. All right, so Marvel. See what's going on here. You think we can catch something? Is this bullish? Does this look like a flag, or does this just look like absolute bullshit, man? What's the expiration? End of next week. I mean, yeah. I don't think that's a bad idea. I'll do it. I'll do it. I want to start trading based off the signal too. The signal's Tradealgo's email. LIN. Okay, LIN. We're gonna hop into LIN. I'm gonna place this call option for May 19th right now. Okay, so or 29th of May, excuse me. So 29th of May, a 162.50 at $32. I'll show you guys how it's done. MRVL. It's at 188 right now. I'm playing ball at this 162.50, so deep in the money. 162.50. These are puts. 162.50. Yeah, these are right at 32. I'll fill at 28. I'm not gonna do a lot. I'm just gonna do $5,000 on these. Just 2 contracts. It's $27 a piece, so a little bit more than 5 Gs. All right, I'm filled. Here's my entry. Give me a sec. You guys will see it. This is my entry, guys. Congrats, Jeremy. LUV, still more room to grow. Are you guys so airlines boomed today. That's kind of what I'm getting from all of this. I haven't taken a look at airlines, but it looks like airlines have boomed today. Okay, Marvel 162.50, 22nd of May call. 2 contracts at $27.80. We filled these today, May 20th, 2026 at 11:10 a.m. We did a market order. It was coming in below the price of what TradeGPT said, so a market order seemed perfect. And we are in. So what's good though, guys? What's good? Let's lock in. I'm checking out LIN Marvel 27.8, and yeah, that's about right. Not trading rest of the week, headed to Miami. Damn, that is fucking awesome, bro. Okay, so Marvel, we're playing Marvel, and then I'm gonna do some quick line drawing so we can kind of keep track. Guys, I have this on a 1-minute chart right now. This isn't anything like, this isn't gonna be, the way this stock is moving isn't gonna be a spectacle like NVIDIA or other things like that. We'll do a 194 exit, and I'm having an entry line drawn right here at 189.11. And so, guys, remember, real Neanderthal shit. If it goes above my orange line right here, we're making money. And if it's below the orange line, we are losing money. AMD up over 25 points. Thank you for reminding me. I'm still not making money. I'm still down 1,700 on my AMD trade. It might be time to get out, though. Where are rocket boosters? On Marvel, right here. Johnny, look. Look at this. Look at this. This is the craziest rocket booster I've ever seen in my entire life. Look right here. Look at this. You see this? Bang. Right here. Right, I just drew a circle. Okay? First cylinder, second cylinder, and then here's our flame. You see that, Johnny? You understand? Okay, LIN. So airlines are ripping today. LIND PLC. Who are these guys? 506 a share. $235 billion market cap. So industrial gas supplier, largest industrial gas supplier in the world with operations in over 100 countries. The firm's main products are atmospheric gases and processed gases. Interesting. So this is like the energy sector, inconspicuous. What's my AMD's down 1,700 now. And then PANW, we should be doing something on this, man. Something should be happening on PANW. I'm at 40.55 right now on PANW. 40.55. Marvel, we'll see a loss here in a second. I mean, this is just fluctuating. It's one of these markets, man. I mean, I'm still gonna fucking gangster this shit out and like trade it, but yeah, this might. I mean, I'm gonna be happy on days that I make $150 and days I break even in a market like this. The hardware is going to follow the old S&D category, big downturns followed by V recoveries, and then after it hits a bottom, it's completely new to me. They sell gas as their chart, just like looks like one big steady uptrend. Yeah, it does. Wow. Took a dip in December. This would have been the fucking time to play ball on these guys when they got down to 386. LIN is completely new to me. It's new to me too, but for them to be the largest natural gas provider in the world, what you guys, what natural gas isn't going anywhere, I can promise you that. Let's go Marvel, baby. Bring me that ass right now. Earning tonight as well. I mean, Xander, we've seen it go. I mean, it was a buck. When was NVIDIA a $1.70? When was the last time NVIDIA was below $180? It wasn't that long ago, bro. It wasn't that long ago, right? When was the last time NVIDIA was below $170? Literally, it was at 167 on the 23rd of March, and then it's been ripping. So, dude, I mean, for the like, this thing has been getting the respect it deserves. This thing has been getting the respect it deserves. Can it deserve more? Yeah, absolutely. But my two biggest holdings ever are Google and NVIDIA, right? And you can shill the idea of like finding little stocks and becoming rich from penny stocks all you want. But like, guys, the real way to get rich when Elon Musk gets rich, the real way to get rich while Jensen Huang and Mark Zuckerberg and Nancy Pelosi and these elites get rich, the easiest way to get rich with the elites of the world is by investing in the stock market, right? And it's not, I'm not talking about trading options, right? They want you to trade options. They want you to go and fuck off all your money. What you want is to just buy the companies that these billionaires own. You're going to get rich when they get rich. Did you buy Google when Warren Buffett bought it? Yes, I did, Johnny. I did. I made a video about it. I'm balls deep into NVIDIA like my life depends on it. Xander, you are not, I mean, yeah, your life is in good hands. Bro, your life is in good hands, my guy. Yo, bro, I'm at 4165 on PNW. We're almost there. 4165. Yeah, we got NVIDIA earnings after close today. Hell yeah. Do you guys think that's going to be the catalyst to take that thing to above 250? Do you guys think after earnings today, NVIDIA is going to be above 250? Might be crazy, but it's possible. Put the motherfucking house on NVIDIA today if you want to see. Yo, what up, Magic? How you feeling? What up, my guy? Jeremy called it on Monday in Discord. I thought it would tank today yesterday. How's the AMD trade doing? I'm down 1,700 right now. But AMD had a huge pop today, so we're working our way back. I'm actively working my way back. I'm at 62.55 on a $69 contract. AMD ripped today. Yeah, but I had a bad, I got in at a bad point, unfortunately. But I think I'll still see money on the trade. It's just, it's a June fucking 29th. NVIDIA to 235 tomorrow. Yeah, I knew it was going to tank today. That's why I led a bunch of calls yesterday and this month on XSP, LUV, and GLD. Yo, what up, Tower Time? Bro, I mean, we're making money on PANW. We're gonna crack, and then Marvel, we're doing good. I'm down 10% on AMD now. Yeah, almost there, guys. Almost there on PANW. I'm gonna have to move this up a little bit. Any of the OG here or what? Yeah, Johnny, you. Well, yeah, for sure, Shaz. I mean, yeah, I could have. I could have that mindset with anything. That'll fuck you up though, thinking like that. But yeah, absolutely, I do. Absolutely, I do. But yeah, man. Bro, been here since trivia. Yeah, oh, Nanya Benny for sure is Warbucks too. Yeah, all of you guys. I mean, there's a bunch of. I totally forgot about Nanya Benny and Warbucks in the chat. It pissed me off. I gotta start doing it. PNW buyer, so I'm gonna call right now. I'm gonna call. These are at 42 even. Yo, what up, Gappers? What's up, my guy? Yeah, so I mean, I've got Marvel and PANW. Nothing expires this week, and then I have AMD for June 18th. I totally figured you took an Nvidia. Dude, earnings are today, bro. Earnings are today. I got Palo Alto and Marvel Tech. Still in tech, heavy tech, but TradeGPT did not give me Nvidia, and probably for good reason. It doesn't that basic options trade prompt isn't gonna like go to a stock that's like reporting earnings. It knows better than that. So Byron, yeah, I'm buying PANW essentially. I'm doing a call option, so I need the stock to go up to make money. What did you trade today? Gappers, are you trading gold or whatever? Do I put in $20 every day and close when it reaches 1,000? No, I don't. I just trade thousands of dollars to make a fraction of that money, like via percent of that money, to make the 1,000. Look at the chart for GC. All right. GC. What is it? Slash GC. Gold futures. Oh, there it is. Damn, did you fucking do this today? It ripped from today from at 10:07. It went from 44.80.79 to 45.35. Dude, that's crazy. LQDA. Is that liquid? What is LQDA? LQDA. What's up, Megastun? How you feeling, bro? closed out of my remaining trades on pump a minute ago. Damn, dude. What are these guys? LQDA. Looks like semiconductor sector. Hold on, it's loading. Dude, this is the market to get rich right now, bro. You guys are out of your mind. I mean, anyone who's on the sideline right now is just out of their mind. I'm good, lead loader. I'm good, bro. I'm doing good. It's getting really hot here in New York, so my walk to work is getting more and more progressively more sweaty. KLAC. Hold on, I want to look at LQDA. Why isn't this loading? I think I've heard of KLAC before. I just can't remember what the company is. Hold on. KLA Corporation. Okay. Yeah, I mean, these guys are on a fucking tear up. Look what they've done since last year. May, they were trading at 389. They're at, holy fuck. Who are these guys? It's another semi, bro. It's another semi. Dude, who is like an actual semiconductor shiller? Like, who actually told people to buy semiconductors, bro? Been making a bag? What was your entry? Pull up the OLE stock screener on TradingView. Okay, let me see. Wait. Full chart. Okay. And then how do I open screeners? OLE. Do QC on semis eventually. OLE is an old O. Dude, I have this kid's indicator on. I don't know how to turn this shit off. Magic, I have PA and W and Marvel. I have PA and W and Marvel calls. Both calls. You're doing a 1 out of 10. Damn, bro. That's fire. That's fire. What are they worth? Dude, I gotta learn how to use this shit, man. That's good, bro. It's 35 Celsius on a good day. You're not gambling in earnings. Nah, dude, I don't want to do anything trades anymore. I don't give a fuck. I own enough shares of NVIDIA that I'll just fucking benefit whatever happens. I'll benefit with whatever the fuck happens on NVIDIA. Yeah, we're just waiting. Dude, Both of these aren't moving necessarily in the best direction, but they're longer trades, so it is what it is. Okay, I need to figure out like what to do here because that is a good idea. Take screen. Tradealgo has a screener. Trading tools scanner. Here, I'll open this up on a different page. They have a swing trade AI. Damn, what is this? May 11th to May 26th. Oh, it just shows dark pool activity on these stocks. So GMED from May 11th to May 17th has had a pretty decent increase in dark pool activity. So let's see when this was alerted. So this was added to the Tradealgo dashboard yesterday, May 19th, 2026. GMED. Dude, what is going on with the dashboard right now? 10th, oh, we're on a 1 day. That's why. Okay, decent. GMED was put on Tradealgo Swing Trade AI yesterday. SBUX. Let's look at all the stocks added today. LITE. Today this was added. MYRG was added to the Swing Trade AI dashboard today. Every time you pop up on your feed, I pop up in your feed, you're in the way. Thank you, bro. I'm working on it. Low float, open interest, follow Kai recommendations. Johnny, have you taken a look at any of those Kai recommendations? They are banging. Dude, I'm gonna have to figure out. There might be like I'm gonna have to reset cookies or something on the site because it just keeps giving me these errors. It's not loading any of the information on the stock. I mean, dude, Starbucks, NVT, GMed. I'm just going through the ones I recognize. Now the question is, find a stock on this list of stocks that has good options interest and like fucking good IV. Information roughly 200 modern computers operate in microseconds and real-time market reaction pushes towards the sub-millisecond range. Damn. Which is still light years away from Planck time limit, the smallest unit of measurable time in physics. Fuck. We're on Planck timing, baby. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm gonna start saying that to this Tradealgo sales team. Tell them to start using that word. So NVIDIA calls and puts today. Is that how you're gonna rock? Yeah, dude. I saw Kai selling signals. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's an upgrade flow to that email for sure. Gap about a spread NVIDIA's cheeks. Dude, he's about to do a spread on NVIDIA's cheeks. I don't know. I'm kind of content where I'm at right now. Marvel and PANW. Your boy's not upset with how these trades are looking. PNW, I'm at 42 flat. And Marvel, I'm down 130. I'm at 27.15. down moves and planning to sell calls after a hopeful nice pump to fade the move. Peace out, y'all. I'm about to lay my ass down. Good luck. All right, bro. Good night, Nanya Benny. Fucking A, I'm making a comeback. Shit, always too good to be true, though. Use it for, but you just cooked on American Airlines. Didn't you, dog? You just cooked on American Airlines. What changed, bro? What happened? Hoping to sell around a 240 strike. You think NVIDIA could go hit a 240 today? You think NVIDIA could hit 240 today? Just got an ad for Richard Vera and Pacific Life on my stream. No way. I don't even think, dude. I don't think vertical streams run ads. Can anyone become my friend? I'm new in trading. I need a perfect strategy for me. I need someone to teach me personally, and I need someone to teach me. I also don't need a mentor. I need a friend. Sick, dude. I think, yeah, there's someone in here that would be your friend. His name is Lead Loader, or Mega Stunt, and he would be happy to give you what you need. You don't need a mentor. You need a friend. Fuck yeah. Awesome, bro. Look at the last two earnings. Yeah, they've been crushing. Consistently beating Wall Street earnings. When was the last? Damn. Since 2020. Since basically the last. The last time they missed in earnings was like right around a year ago. And they missed it by 6 cents. Beat it in 2020 quarter. They beat it in quarter. Wait. How did the fuck does this work? How do they report earnings on May 28th, 2025 for quarter one of 2022? Anyway, I'm not going to listen to that. Okay, they beat it 3 earnings ago. They beat it 2 earnings ago. They beat it in the last earnings, and then today, it's looking like a $1.75 to a $1.76. We like to joke, but go for real. Go put all of your savings in SGOV. Dude, shout out to the Knicks, bro. Jalen Brunson, dude. Fucking A. Fucking A, man. So that's cut. The implied movement is 6.5%. Fading it for a 2D TE. Are you? You're trading the when fade. You say fading. When someone says fading and trading, basically it means like, you're trading the opposite of like what's expected, or you're like doing the opposite of something, right? That's what fading means, isn't it? Good luck on your trade.
Thanks, man.
Are you trading? No. NVIDIA earnings today. They beat the last 4.
Puts.
Puts?
Puts.
Yeah, bro. Fucking do a spread on it. Does anyone want to help me in the chat? I just need someone more experienced than me. Where are you from, Vinish? What country? What is your country of origin, Vinish? What is your country of origin? What is your country of origin, Vinish? Where are you originally from? We'll sell the call side today. Dan, you wish you got out of Marvel or nah? Nah. Dude, this is a 2 week long trade. Bro, I'm on a 1 minute chart, bro. It's like this is not a big deal. Look, it's going to be like, yeah, man. I mean, I've kind of gotten to the point where I just kind of accept the bad weeks and India. Oh, okay. Nice. Does anyone really use airplane mode on a plane? That's nuts. I don't personally. The puts are being closed for 70+%. Epstein Island. Damn, congrats, Gapper. Vanish, that's an L place to live. Vanish, that's a Vanish. India like is not optimal. Vanish, how's this sound? Actually, I mean, I don't know. I have nothing to show you, Vanish. If you want a friend, bro, I guarantee you'll find one in the stream. I'll be your friend. I know, and else the internet provides free education. Yeah. No friends in the industry, Vanish. No friends in this industry. Vashi, not Vanish. Is it Vashi? Yeah, it is. My bad, big dog. Yeah, really, bro. 100%. 100,000,000%. Dude, yeah, I mean, we can just wait. I could take another trade, but it's fine. Did you guys see my video yesterday I made saying that I have an 87% success rate when it comes to swing trading? Technically, that's true, bro. Technically, it's true in terms of trades that I close out on, but I don't even know how to respond to this guy. How do I respond to this? So I make this video, and he comments, where do you source all of this data? By the time they're required to let the public know, they've already entered next to their position, right? And then I said, it's about the confluence of the other points lining up with the other data set. And that's basically saying, bro, yeah, it doesn't matter what timeline the delayed data is on, as long as it points in line with other data that's real time, right? And then he says, correlation isn't causation. How do you assess certainty in that approach? How do I respond to this? Please tell me you're up today, brother. You own a 7-Eleven? I would have said my brain. No, the brain it's not a good enough response. Zanzo? How do I respond to Zanzo? Do I say, I don't know. Just tell him to buy my course and get more information. No one chooses their spawn point. That's not true, Johnny. You get to choose your spawn point. Tradealgo isn't delayed data though. Nothing is certain in the market unless it's a bond. Well, okay, but like congressional filings, that's still going to be delayed, but there's still massive confluence that can come from delayed congressional filings and insider buys. All we can do is try to find the best probabilities. Let's get AI to reply for you, Paul. Johnny, you're my AI. I want Johnny 9PT to tell him what's going on. Yo, bro, I'm sitting here thinking about it, and there would really be no benefit. Like this stream is like, it's fun. There's not going to be a time where your boy starts pushing a trading course or like alerts. Like I'll always promote Tradealgo's tools. You guys have the choice to pay for it or not, but like it doesn't necessarily affect me if you guys do that or not. But one thing I do get out of these streams, like genuinely, is it's a lot of fun for me to come on here and like just do this, right? And just learn about the market from you guys and like, like talk to you guys. Just like, it's like the best way I can describe it is like, it feels like living. Like it's good. My brain is alert. Talking to you guys is always really cool. Now the question is like, dog, if I'm not even planning on like monetizing this channel, and eventually maybe like I'll do partnerships with AI companies that want me to like run their APIs or like kind of show agents and other things like that. That's something I'll do. But I'm sitting here thinking about it, And bro, what is the negative to view botting to get on the front page of YouTube just to have more fun with the streams? And I'll prove it to you guys. Vertical streams make $0. Like all of my streams combined, just based on viewership, I think I've made like $18 total ever out of the million live stream views that we've generated since August. Like there's no like financial benefit. But I'm thinking like, dog, like if it's just about fun for me, why wouldn't I view bot? Like why, like what would be the negative to like pumping the stream up and getting a bunch more people in here just for the fucking vibes, bro? I have the money to do that. And if it's going to make it more fun, then why wouldn't I do that? And I'm like kind of looking for a reason not to do it because I like there's just a weird thing, stigma that comes with view botting. But like, bro, it's 2026. It's like the guy who's not like trying to do shit is like the guy who's gonna lose. Nah, definitely monetizing gets sponsors. I'm not saying 242 will happen. Just saying be ready if volume comes in. I don't think Nancy Pelosi tracker could match her success. Haven't looked into it much though. Also, don't mention view botting on stream. Should be terms of service, IRC. Flagged and brought down, maybe spam comments. No, I don't want you guys to do any of that. BBC then? No, like, dude, because the view botting problem in streaming is super real, right? But like, I don't want you guys, like, if you guys ever see one of my streams, screen recorded all this, like, bro, like, yeah, expose me. You know what I mean? But, like, the thing is there's no benefit, like, monetary benefit I get from the stream except for my trades anyway, right? It's a fucking vertical format stream on YouTube. It would just be more fun to have more haters in here, to have, like, more just bullshit. It's your channel, do what you want. I applied for access to waiting on approval in phase. I'm rewarding the dude. Wait. Do you use Moomoo API? Try Moomoo's API. I use Moomoo API for data. It's not like incredible, but it's definitely something. A BLT would go crazy right now. Do you have the setting enabled so that people have to be subbed to comment and shit? Just forming your stream for horizontal streaming. But it's like, I don't even care about subs. Like, subs are important, but like, guys, I'm not really like speaking like the Mr. Beast YouTube language. Like, this is like a channel that like maybe eventually, you know, as time goes on, will be like monetized and like what, like I'll be very serious about YouTube content creation. But bro, I fucking fire up OBS, I hop on here and I start trading. Moomoo is what I nickname my militanks. What's a militank? No. Bro, you barely promote the stream. Maybe post more on other socials. Yeah, I know. I barely promote the stream. I know I do. I don't even promote the stream anymore. God. What is the play, man? I don't know. I mean, it's more fun for everybody, bro. I mean, you guys like haters like just as much as I do. It's fucking fun. And like it just like it's more like I like just yapping with you guys. JJ saved the day, kinda. LOL. How did JJ save the day? Oh, JJ did save the day. Now that I'm looking at it, I like fun too. You gotta be on Twitter like y'all suck, I'm rich if you want more haters. So your true trades there, they're from TradeGPT. Yeah, they are. Bro, don't want his sister to watch him. I do not want my sister to watch my streams. I don't want anyone in my family to watch my streams. And it's actually a problem. I have to like not be like if a girl asks me about my day, the last thing I'm gonna tell them is I streamed on YouTube because they're like if I'm dating somebody, right? I'm dating somebody right now and she is just obsessed with knowing what I do for work. It's very fucking like strange that she cares so goddamn much about what my day consists of, right? She's like, okay, well, what did you do in the morning? Well, what did you do? And I'll just be like, yeah, I fucking made sure the trains were running on time. That's like what I say. I just like, yeah, I made sure the trains were running on time and I was dealing with work stuff. And like if I ever told somebody I stream, it's strictly because they've told me they trade options or they do something like that. The richest family I know, true old school rage bait to get people in. I missed the speaker. Yeah, the speaker was good. We should probably get the speaker up going. I'm gonna chuck a 10K trade and won't check because she care about you, gang. Got a shiesty up, big dog. Mask up. Dog, it's not even that she cares. It's just weird. Like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't, you care about me. I mean, you're sitting in my fucking apartment right now after I just bought you dinner. Yeah, you care about me. That's perfectly fine. You do not need to know what I did today, like on an exact level. You know what I mean? Like, bro, I'm just gonna start saying nonsense. I'm just gonna start lying to them and saying like, yeah, I went to the Manhattan shipyard and I found pieces of aggregated steel because I'm building an Iron Man suit. What do you want from me? What do you want? Like, yeah, I'm Spider-Man. Bro's ignoring me. No, Vanish, I'm not ignoring you. Do you guys knew it's Vanishka and it's an Indian girl name? It's my sister's account. Oh, fuck. Dude, my bad. Get you a nice Southern girl, one that cooks. Bro, we can go down the line. The last one was from Georgia, who like claimed she could cook like super well. That's one other thing that fucking annoys me. Is like a girl like pick me herself into like skill sets that she doesn't have. Well, I can cook quesadillas and air fryer salmon. Like, how do you expect me to respond to that? Like, do you want me to be like, oh my God, come live with me and make me quesadillas and air fryer salmon? You know, like, how do you want me to respond to that? It's just a whole bunch of nonsense, dude. She's trying to gauge how much money you make without having to ask you directly. What's my Bro is ignoring me. No, I'm not ignoring you, Vashni or Vajisha. I'm just saying, like, I don't know what to do for you, bro. You hopped on a stream looking for a friend on your sister's account. Like, tell me how I'm supposed to, like, navigate your situation right now. I will do my best. How long have you guys been dating? She sounds like a torta. Dude, she's not. She's not a torta. Hang on, Georgia is more people from than native Southern. No, she was born there. She was born. Bit lower volatility. What are you talking about? DRAM if you want exposure to SNDK and other memory chips. She's telling that she can bring to the table, and you basically, where you bring to the table, figure out what relationship is going to work for her. Chill, bro. Go take a shower first. Dude, I hope you're not talking. I hope you're talking to Vedishka, bro. Okay, so she's telling you what she can bring to the table and basically what you can bring to the table to figure out if the relationship is going to work for her. Dog, like, I don't want to sound sexist when I say this. I'm just going to go based off, like, ease of my experience dating. The most, like, at peace I've ever been in a relationship is from the girl who doesn't, like, talk about how helpful she is. She just does shit. When I was living in Vegas, I dated she was amazing, and she would wake up. I would wake up for work at like 5 a.m. to go work out and then hit the office in Vegas, and she would be up like an hour later, and she would clean my entire house before she left. She would make my bed, like fucking. She would like cook the chicken that I had set aside for meal prep that I just never was gonna fucking make, that was gonna go bad. She would do all of that for me. And then here's the thing, she wouldn't make a big deal about it. She would just do it, and I would get home and all this stuff would be done and she wouldn't even be there. And I had this natural longing for the ease of her in my life, and it was just like a subconscious ease that she provided me that it just worked. And she didn't yap about it. It wasn't like this whole thing just no, it's not the one who got away, Magic. That's not the one who got away. I fucked up. One night with this chick in particular, and we were in California. We went on like a little getaway to this farm in California where you could like help like do animal stuff and like fucking feed cows and other things like that. And I got fucking drunk, and I started talking to her about like agentic AI processes, and I like told her dad was gonna lose her job and like she should be terrified. It was like some shit like that, and then after we got back to fucking Vegas, she just stopped talking to me. So it's not like I'm like a perfect person either, but she Yo, idiot. You deserve it. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I probably do. It was, yeah, I mean, it just kind of fizzled out after that. I got kind of drunk, and I went on this like AI like technology tangent, which I will do sometimes. Yeah, it wasn't like I crashed, but it was definitely it definitely wasn't like I didn't make myself seem very confident and secure with myself on how things was moving. This was like 2024. Nah, bro, her dad's job probably safe. Nah, it wasn't. Her dad is literally like a high level translator. He like translates data sources, data sets into like actionable things for companies, so like for humans to read. And I was just like, yeah, bro, I was just like, trust me. I was like looking her in the eyes. We were sitting in this hot tub. I was like, trust me, your dad's job is fucked. And then she was like, what are you talking about? Honest bro, wait till you move to Austin. Beggars can't be choosers. Why is everyone in here having storks trying to read Vinishka? I'd rather. AI still needs an operator. Yeah. Yeah. I was serious though, bro. They're not, there's like, respectfully. MIT, yeah, exactly. No, it absolutely can, Jeremy. It absolutely can. I mean, in that study, even if that study's 2 months old, massive things have changed. Austin and Nashville have the best woman in all USA, I swear. Hey, maybe that's where the wife is. Just messing with you. Don't take it personal. Roll with the punches and maybe punch back. Welcome to the club. Yeah, bro. Swing back, bro. Fight back. Vanishka. Found my wife in Austin. Okay. All right, giving me hope, Jeremy. Giving me hope. Giving me hope. I don't even know if I'm looking for a wife, though, to be honest. I'm kind of just looking like for a kid to be 100 with you. I just need like I need a leash, or I need a hair. Hey, man, I'm moving to Austin in if give me the timeline 2027 January to May, I'll be in Austin before May. Sometime between January and May, I'll be moving. My lease ends at the end of April here in New York. And, bro, guys, getting out of a lease in New York is, like, it's one of the easiest, most difficult processes ever. And I feel really bad for an amateur who doesn't understand marketing when they get out of a lease in New York, because 9 out of 10 times you try to get out of a lease early in New York, they make you do your own marketing to find another qualified tenant. And that's what I was going to do, because I didn't know the timeline of moving to Austin. So my timeline was way fast. But like that period of time where I said I don't know if I'm going to stay in New York for 2026, it was basically like that decision whether I was going to end my lease early and go back. But I feel super bad for people who try to cancel the lease who have no marketing experience. But in reality, guys, it's not a difficult thing at all to find a tenant in New York, especially for the fucking place I live. I mean, it gets grabbed up in a day. Move either 5th, 6th, or 7th Street. That's gay, Paul. Totally gay. Austin. Dude, I wish, bro. Nah, Gabbers. Believe it or not, Tradealgo tried to open an office in Nashville, Tennessee. What in the commie BS? Oh, bro, welcome to the commie land. Nah, what's crazy is it was gonna be Tennessee. It was like 3 different people fighting for 3 different locations, and they're all VPs or founders, kind of getting after this. It was Carlos, CEO, pushing for Austin. It was me, myself, and I don't have a role. I'm just like a 1099 marketing consultant for these guys, so I really didn't have any say. But I've since I've been here, I've been kind of a part of the whole spiel. I was fighting for Las Vegas, right? Carlos fighting for Austin. I'm fighting for Las Vegas, and then the sales director was fighting for Nashville. And then, of course, fucking the CEO gets the final say at the end of the day. It was all just pointless anyway. And so we are going to be in Austin in 2027. Can't imagine my taxes, bro. Fuck out of here, bro. I don't even want to think. I don't even want to think about it, bro. Austin tax way lower, almost. Yeah. No, yeah. Super low. That's the reason. Nevada's really good too. Nevada is like by far one of the best business tax places. I mean, I had a little bit more skin in the game asking for Nevada because that's where I'm from. And it would have been really nice to get back. But Austin's still cool. Still push the Porsche around, right? Get all the fucking toys back out there. Get a nice big house. Not looking to live in an apartment. It's gonna be cool. Move to wherever had the best internet access. No, dude, I wish I was. I'm not going to Nashville. West Coast companies, only a matter of time. You guys, I mean, you would really think that's not gonna change Austin, bro. Like Texas is like the fucking show me state or whatever the fuck it is. Austin is getting, yeah, bro. It's becoming the tech capital of the world, dude. I mean, like, unless you want to experience the city, there's no reason to move to New York, man. I'm being genuine. Like my sister, I was talking to my little sister last night. She's a year younger than me, and she's like in that phase of like girl power and fucking city living, whatever the fuck. And she was like, I really want to go to New York for a year and like teach Pilates. She's like, just to live in the city. I was like, you realize what you're saying? Just to live in the city. This place is fucking filthy. You know what I mean? If you're to buy and settle, over the whole U.S., I don't even know what settling would make me feel like yet. I haven't explored enough to realize, hey, I want to settle down. But if I did, definitely West Coast. There's this tiny little town about 2 hours away from Los Angeles. It's called Tulare, California. It's where they grow Cuties oranges. If you guys have ever, or Cuties mandarin, or not fucking clementines. Tulare County, California. And this place, my guy, is just beautiful. Perfect weather. Insane fucking like lakes and stuff around it. Only problem is it is California, so the taxes are fucked. But this place, Tulare County, California, man, just like if you're from the West Coast and you understand like California and like the desert, this place is like a fucking Lord of the Rings movie compared. My dumbass was thinking Austin is someone's name and you guys were admiring him. Yeah. Vanish, just, yeah, go take a lap, hit the showers. Stupid socialists, either way, money grows on trees, or they have a right to it from others, 100%. Move to San Diego? Fuck. I mean, bro, if I'm moving anywhere in California, I'm gonna move to Tulare. Hate socialism, commies, hate them with a passion, facts. California, Austin just has more. But dude, it's just like I tried doing this yesterday. If you guys look at the houses in Austin, I'll show you guys my house in my apartment that I'm living in Vegas. Hold on. Hey, what's up?
Hi, folks.
What's going on? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Hey,
Why did you forget me?
I didn't. I just got caught up over the weekend. I'm sorry.
You forget me even the first time.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Wait, I'm about to do a live stream, Nisa. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. I just have to finish this live stream. But thank you for calling. I'll call you in like an hour.
Okay.
All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, so Austin, Texas. Is this Austin, Texas? Yeah, this is Austin. Okay, looks like it's fucking finally working now. So are you guys saying I should, like, what area of the city should I look in? Right, because, here, we're going to go here. I'm going to go for rent, filters, property type. This is what we want. We're going to only do houses, bro. That's what I want to live in. I want to live in a fucking house. That's why I got to live downtown. LOL, I just walk everywhere. Come to think of it, why do you guys want me to go and take a shower? Come to think of it, why do you guys want me? I don't know, bro. I don't know. You tell me. Like, dude, I'm only getting something furnished, and it all looks like this. Like, look at the outside of these houses, bro. It's just so fucking ugly, man. Just a backyard with grass and nothing. This is Texas living. Dude, give me a break, bro. Give me a break, please, bro. 4 beds, okay, for 4K. This ain't bad. 78758. Anyone know that area? Hello there. Who is that? Dude, this ain't bad. It's kind of cool. I do this. Nah, it's just not, the living room isn't cozy enough. I like a huge couch, bro. I like a huge, mad comfy couch and a massive TV. $6,000 a month, total monthly price. And then I think this includes utilities. Any fixed monthly fees? Oh, shit. Yeah, $6K a month with all utilities, 4 bedrooms. Fuck, there's no furniture. Yeah, that makes sense. It's kind of sick. Let me see. Nah, couch isn't big enough. NVIDIA gearing up. Let's see. Marvel's dropping. PANW's doing something. Do you think it's time, bro? Yeah, her name was Frank. Magic. Frank. Her name was JJ. $501 million to get you a mini mansion. Y'all renting or buying? When I get to Austin, I'm gonna rent. I don't have any plans to buy a house out there. I have no plans on buying a house in Austin. So if I went here and I go and I just do fucking baller shit, we go 7 to 10 grand a month. 86 rentals available. Ooh, what's this? It's like a compound. Dog, this is sick. Whoa, this is really sick. Wow. 980, 3 beds, 3 bath. Backyard's just super mid. Is that a sauna? Dude, this is fucking sick. And it has a rooftop. That's not bad. And it's furnished. Imagine 50 hookers in that bay. Yeah, I'm going to call JJ. $16,000 a month for this shit, man. What are we talking about, bro? $16,000 a month for this? Bro, suck me, man. What are we talking about, bro? There is no way in fuck. Yeah, dog, NVIDIA is going to rogue. It's like, this is only $7,500 a month. This is the kind of shit I want. But there's no furniture. 16,000. Yeah, 10K a month, nah. Nah, but I would just, cause no, here's what I would do. I would get the boys. I would have this. I would just live with the fucking Tradealgo sales guys. Nah, I probably wouldn't do that. Now that I think about it, I'm not gonna pay. My budget probably for Austin is like 5-6 grand a month. This is a super sick house, though. Actually, now that I think about it, this ain't that bad. I mean, yo, JJ, you have a loft in Austin? I'll keep looking. And for access to a wide variety of listings, that's what I did and got exactly what I wanted. Oh, sick. Do you have an agent in Austin, Jeremy? Check out what rent was back in 2020. I know you can. They didn't start renting this thing out till 2025 at 14,000, and they've dropped it to $1,000 since then. Dude, 12,000 a month for this, bro. 11 beds, dog. Like, what fucking dumb, like, fucking dozen ass fucking kids do you have? 11 bedrooms. Fuck out of here, man. All right, guys. This is getting pointless. I'm just showing you guys Austin real estate. I should get a commission for all this real estate I'm showing you. Something on a lake, possibly? Oh, bro. This is tough. Oh, if 140 helping volatility comes and pumps premium to around $5, yeah, and you'll 5x? Or that's just what your cut, like the price that you're gonna write off is? All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up. That's a 150K house. Fuck that. Yeah. This is tough on a lake. God, I would. $22,000 a month, bro. Something with gators. I paid $0 a month because I'm a man child. Yo, Jeremy, do you have a Okay, sick. Do you have my Discord? Because if you have an agent for Austin, yeah, I'll just do that. What's the broker fee for an agent? Gators are a must. Where's like a lake? What's the lake you want to live at here in Austin? Is there like a lake or a river house? This looks good. What is it? Woo! Yeah, bruh. I want something like this, man. This is so dope. My random trade is down 6K. I'm not gonna sell them for, yeah, you don't want to sell the fucking, no, I get you. All right, boys, I'm gonna wrap up. I gotta go talk to some of the sales department. I have a lunch date today, so gonna go ahead and clean up. Let's see how NVIDIA earnings do. I still got Palo Alto and PANW, which are not doing terribly. Right. So let's see what happens, and I will see you guys. Not bad compared to your 25K 100 gains, though. Decent risk reward profile. Yeah, fucking yeah, it is. Around 4%. Yo, Vashini, what up? Did you hit the showers? Yo, Jeremy, do you have my Discord? Around Lake Travis? I want an either like really industrial loft, or I want damn, the Colorado River comes all the way down here. That's crazy. What is wrong with bro? All right, guys. Yeah, I'm wrapping up. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. Market has been kind of mid. Streams have been kind of mid. I'm sorry. I'll fucking think of something. But yeah, on a midday, the market's like this. It's not like it's just no point in me just giving money to fucking Nancy Pelosi and Jerome Powell. And Ken Griffin. You may have already touched on this, but why not play a place? I just don't know that I'm gonna stay in Austin for that long, bro. You're on Discord. Can you DM me? Do you have my Discord channel? Can you shoot me a DM? There's a few splashes in this. Count as a shower? Nah, bro. Does fucking going into the Thames River or whatever the fucking river is that Indian people love to just go in that's covered in shit and filth, like, is that considered a shower? Van Chic? That's not even your real name. That's your sister's name, bro. How are you just cool with people just calling you by your fucking sister's name? Buy a small place, get the asset, don't pay for someone else's, but that takes the baller aspect out of it. Then I have to come up with fucking $100,000, sell that money out of my brokerage, file that out for fucking whatever the fuck, and then buy a place. You know? Why don't I just bypass all that and just start burning money renting a spot? And I know the answer to this. That's just me being daft. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm wrapping up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's crush. And congrats, Paul. You won a free trip to India. I will reach out and get some contact info for you. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. All right. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.